Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. This is Rohit and today I'm going to show you how to work or how to create the Salesforce Function ORG free trial account of the org. So this is a new things, right? So most of the people doesn't know about the Salesforce functions. So I am here to discuss about this org. So how to create this function org to compute and to deploy your Salesforce function inside the compute org or compute space, right? So basically Salesforce function used to increase more processing power because Salesforce having some limitation that is called governor limit, right? So if you need like more processing power, so always go to the Salesforce functions and you can increase and you can avoid like heap size or CPU timeout issues, right? So let's get started without any further delay, and please watch this video until end if you want to learn something new. I will update most of the videos regarding the Salesforce function, so please keep in touch and let's get started again. So here I'm just open this URL here. Just you can see here this URL functions.salesforce.com/sign up. So this is free trial version of Salesforce functions org, right? So you have to fill your details and click on this sign up me button and it will create a new org for the Salesforce functions. So you can learn something around this Salesforce functions, right? Use industry programming language, let's say Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, and like Python as well, because Python right now in beta in Salesforce functions. So use open source library like npm and maven, a greater CPU heap and sync limits, open and perspective developer experience, and 100% Salesforce hosted, because these Salesforce functions always hosted into the Heroku, or you cannot see or you cannot touch any Heroku database, and you can just use these Salesforce functions inside this particular org. So you have to fill out this org and this information, and once you fill out it and click on this sign me up button, and after that maybe like 2-3 minutes you will be get an email for the verify your account. Once you verify, you can change your password, same like developer free developer account, right? So once you created this org, just you have to log in into login.salesforce.com, and once you logged in, now you can see my org, and it's a automatic having, and it's a predefined application inside this org that is called function recipe. And based on this function recipe, we have like processing large data volume, invocation event, data API query, org information, Salesforce SDK, unit of work, logger, environment. I will explain to you each and every functionality regarding this Salesforce function in upcoming videos, but in this video you can learn only the org, how to create this org. So you have to fill out this form and create your org here. Once you logged in, just you can see here this kind of environment. Just click on this gear icon, click on this setup. Once you clicked on this setup, you will be see here quick find. Under the quick find you have to search like functions, and once you search this function under the feature setting, just click on this function options, and here you can see my account ID, login org domain, and the login org ID. And we have two types of environment. One is enable test space and enable production space. So if you are working as a Salesforce sandboxes or scratch org, so you can enable it. By default is enabled, don't worry about it, right? But you have to enable this production because it's already disable. So once you enable it, you cannot disable right now, and if you need this disable, so you can reach out to the Salesforce support team and you can disable it or enable it based on your requirement. So this is the way to create your function, something like that, right? Function org, and we have like lots of permission set about these functions, right? So just click on this permission set, you will be see lots of permission set here like function dev, but most of the permission set here that is called function, and this is the very most important permission set for us. So now you can see the functions, right? And under the functions we have system setting, system permission. So just click on this system permission, you can see different types of information about this one, right? So you can learn from here as well, right? So this is the way to create your org and navigate your function, Salesforce function org inside this Salesforce. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comments, and please subscribe the channel for more updates, and please keep in touch because I will explain to you the deep and dive about this Salesforce function in upcoming videos. So till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you for watching.